Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to Quantum Jumper. I'm freelancing on Fiverr, you know already, and I've made till now $41.8. But I was wondering that how much would I receive if I just going to redeem it via PayPal? So how much PayPal is going to take? So to estimate this calculation, you could go to PayPal fee calculator. It's very simple, and you will get these first website. Let's get down to it, and now it is 4.4 percentage fee by PayPal plus 0.30 fee. So overall it is, I think, the let's estimate the 5 percentage. So I made approximately $41. So how much I would be going to receive? So let's input $41 and calculate the fee. So total fee is 2.10. You will receive 38.90, and you should be asked for. So it will also give you the data and value how much you should be asked for. So I think this one was good. So you should be asked for $43.20. Now I just made I was get hired by someone from UK, and I did the gig completion, and I was asking for $44. If I would like to receive $44, I have to sacrifice my, if I calculate the price, it would be $2.24 I would need to be sacrificed, and you will receive 41.76. I would be assuming that I will be only getting $40. And let me go and calculate $40 in rupees. It will be like 3,322 rupees. This is something that, and because I need to also buy a server and hosting, so I should be like asking for $50. If I search for this will be like 4,000 rupees. So 4,000 rupees. To receive 4,000 rupees, 4,153 rupees, I should be like entering here the amount $50, and I should be asking $52. So if I should be asking $52, I could literally receive this amount, which is 4,153 Indian rupees. I hope this video is help you out, because this is pretty calculation type of video. A lot of times we have to receive money from PayPal. As of now, my Payoneer is got blocked. Let me show you my Payoneer account. It's got blocked by Payoneer just because there is no recent active transactions out there. That's why Payoneer blocked me, and they're simply saying that just create a new account rather than just rectifying and optimizing your old account. I should be asked for reactivation my old account, but they clearly said that you have to make a new account with new email address, and I'm still waiting for the approval. It's been like 3 to 4 days. It's 4 days already, but I haven't got any approval yet. Payoneer login. Let me go to show you. Now this video is only intended to make you the PayPal calculation. In my next video I'm going to teach you how you can convert your telephonic conversation, which is a call recording, to a YouTube video like this. Okay, so stay tuned for this if you would like to see something like this. Let me take you to my video to show you what I did and how much the size of this particular video. So here we go. It is 1 hour 8 minute long video. Its name is FAQ telephonic interview with White Web Server, Indian cloud hosting company in Bihar. All right, so it's in Bihar. This is White Web Server. I have conversation with them over 1 hour and recorded everything, and I also bring you live, so you can also able to hear what is going on. Okay, soon I will also going to buy a hosting from them, and on top of that I will be also getting a free .com domain. So I will also make a live video on that and showing you the step by step how you can also buy and take advantage of free .com domain and also cloud hosting, which is by AWS. So you might be also thinking Bihar, okay, but yeah, their warehouse is actually in Bihar, in Darbhanga. Bihar is not a very good reputation wala jagah, but Yes, it is in Bihar, but the problem is it's not a problem because the server is AWS, and technically AWS, Microsoft Azure, Google Cloud, and vice versa, they are like very giant in kind of like a cloud computing, cloud server. Okay, there is DigitalOcean, which is in the small company type of application can host, and also the Linode. Okay, so Linode and DigitalOcean comes together, but Linode is more powerful than DigitalOcean. But when it comes to cloud hosting, which is by giant companies like, so there will be Google Cloud, Microsoft Azure, and AWS. And AWS is literally the oldest and best one when it comes to buying server, which is cloud hosting. And their Indian plan is according to that. Okay, so I will be also making the same video, and I also teach you how you can also do this. You know, by just only uploading a one simple image here, and transform your AWB, which is a format in audio. AWB, just transforming your AWB format into MP3 and downloading the MP3 into your device, and making the complete conversation into the video. I will show you exactly how I did it and upload it to YouTube. It's a 2 GB long video. The recording was only 14 MB. When I converted to MP3, it was 68. When I was just converted into video, it was 2 GB literally. Can you imagine? So I will teach you exactly how I did it. See you in the next video. I hope you like this video. See you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe for more content like this.